and that's 2. So I hit the dragon 3 in the making him go up, and 2 in hitting him in the tail to let him knock down. Good day everyone, welcome to another vlog, Kids Edition Episode 5. It's me, Lian, and my brother, Gian. We are gonna be featuring another Hot Wheels Playset, and it's the Hot Wheels City Dragon Blast Playset. And now we will be showing you how to play this playset. Sit back, relax, and enjoy! Basically, your main goal is to knock down the dragon so you can save the cars in the wings, the mouth, the claws, and the den. And now I will be showing you how to play. You put a car inside the launcher and you will see there will be a button here. You launch the car and hit this button part so it will go up like this. See, it will go up. Then you remove the launcher. You have to remove the launcher so that you can put it on the other side to defeat the dragon. So when you put this launcher in this truck to knock down the dragon. So when you how to knock down the dragon, you will launch the car through this truck and hit his tail. When you hit the tail, he will be defeated and he will fall down. Just like the previous playsets, we will make this playset even more exciting. Me and my brother will try to knock down the dragon to save the cars. So whoever knock down the dragon in less tries wins the game. Are you ready, Gian? Yes! So now I will start first. That's 1, 2, 3. Dragon going up 3 times. Now I'll look the other side. We have to still save these 2 cars on the wings. That's 1. And that's 2. So I hit the dragon 3 in the making him go up, and 2 in hitting him in the tail to let him knock down. So I have 5 tries before knocking the dragon out. Now it's my turn. 1. Change it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So me and Gian needed 5 cars to knock down the dragon in order to save all the cars. So the both of us won! That's all, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching. See you in our next vlog. Bye! Bye! And subscribe down below.